working with the two of them as a duo for this?
I think what makes yung Bautista X Bautista such a special project to me is because it's very rare that I get to work with yung barkada ko, and sila Christian, mga barkada ko yan, and it's parang yung collaboration kasi namin feels less like work. And yun usually, for example, yung sinabi mo kanina na December Avenue, yun yung mga shows na talagang pag-tropa mo yung katrabaho mo. You really, in terms of the creativity and the things that we can do, ano siya, very heartfelt and less focus on yung mga, the stuff that we do in other shows, yung mga sobrang technical, sobrang grandiose. And of course, there's nothing wrong with Suicide Dano, but sometimes it's a nice change of pace then to come to a concert and focus mainly on just yung mga yung kantahan, yung kwentuhan, and yung camaraderie ng two boys, ng two performers natin. So I feel like ano siya, parang nakaka-relax siya na show. Kasi chill lang, and masaya, good vibes na siya. Yeah. So nabanggit din kanina ni Christian na of course they're gonna show their friendship, but they're also gonna show kung sino ba talaga yung mas magaling na Bautista. So doon